Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve presentation font cache, high CPU and memory usage on Windows 11 or 10. So firstly, open services and services you have to find out Windows presentation font cache. This one, Windows presentation foundation font cache. So double click on it and firstly start. Now stop this service. Then click on OK and exit. If this method not work, so you can try second one. Open control panel. Click on programs. So now here select Microsoft Visual C++, then click on change and repair. One by one, repair this all Microsoft Visual. And restart your system. So once you done this setting and repair for all Microsoft Visual, after that just restart your system. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.